Good afternoon. I'll be trying some distance with my Glock 19. It has a hollow sun EPS carry on there, and my Taurus 404 Magnum 3/8 inch AR 500 steel. It's 12 inches wide by 20 inches tall. The first one I'll try will be my Glock 19 9mm 115 grain zero hollow is what they're called. A buddy of mine sent these to me for my birthday. Thank you, Scott. I'm trying to give you guys a view through the little screen there with the red dot. I just decided to jump to 60 yards. And my 80-yard marker. Now I think I'm just getting lucky with that revolver. On to 90. And I'm at 90 yards right now. Some of you are probably wondering, why do I keep having an ammo can there if I'm just going to shoot 2, 3, 4, 6 rounds? I use that to focus my camera. I touch the screen and it focuses on the ammo can, so I can be in focus. See? Just for fun, let me try one more. Let me try a revolver first this time. All right, 110. I'm just curious how far I can hit out with this thing. Alright, on to 130. 130 yards.